Welcome back to Tech Insights, where we dive deep into the latest advancements in technology. Today, we're uncovering the much anticipated DJI Air 3S, the latest addition to DJI's impressive lineup of drones. As the successor to the Air 3, the Air 3S is generating buzz with exciting rumors and leaks about its potential features. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the key specifications, price expectations, and release date predictions for the DJI Air 3S, along with a look at its potential impact on the drone industry. One of the most exciting rumors about the DJI Air 3S is the integration of a groundbreaking 1-inch CMOS sensor. This substantial upgrade promises to revolutionize aerial photography and videography by enhancing low-light performance significantly. Imagine capturing stunningly clear images and videos, even in the dimmest conditions. While the Air 3 already featured a dual camera setup, there were concerns about the resolution of its main sensor. The Air 3S is expected to address these concerns with a genuine 48-megapixel camera, with a superior sensor and potentially a more powerful processor. The DJI Air 3S is expected to deliver unparalleled image and video quality. Rumors suggest that it could record stunning 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K footage at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. Battery life is always a crucial factor for drone enthusiasts. The Air 3S is rumored to come with a significant boost in battery life, allowing for longer flight times. Pricing is always a hot topic, and the Air 3S is no exception. While the Air 3 was positioned at a premium price point, there's speculation that DJI might introduce the Air 3S with a more competitive price tag, potentially aligning it with the pricing of the Air 2S. The DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mini 5 Pro are shaping up to be game changers in the drone industry, offering cutting-edge features and performance that will inspire creators and enthusiasts alike. As we eagerly await official announcements from DJI, the excitement continues to build. Stay tuned for more updates, insights, and in-depth analyses as we explore the limitless possibilities of these upcoming drones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest news from the world of technology.